First, we need to get some good choy-sum ready. When we choose a choy-sum, we should try to get those without any holes or cracks at the end of the stem. To make sure the vegetable is clean, I would cut away a little bit of the tip of the stem. I would also take away the outermost leaf, which is normally very tough to eat. It would be very wasteful if you just throw away the leaves. What you can do is to keep the leaves for making dumplings. Maybe pork and vegetable dumplings? If you don't mind to eat the choy-sum with leaves that are full of fibers, you can always keep them. If you get those baby choy-sum which is very tender, you may not need to take away the outermost leaves. Now we should wash and rinse the choy-sum to make sure that they are clean. Okay, we are ready to cook the choy-sum now. Look, these are very good quality choy-sum, except this one which has a hole at the end and it's not that good. We will bring some water to boil in a wok or pot. We will add 1 teaspoonful of salt into the water. This will make the choy-sum look green even after boiling. When the water starts to boil, we'll put in the choy-sum. We'll stir the choy-sum from time to time to make sure that they are getting even heat. We shall cook the choy-sum for about 2.5 to 3 minutes. If you get some bigger size choy-sum, you may need 4 minutes. After a minute or so, you can put in a teaspoonful of oil. This will make the vegetable look shiny and nice. Stir them occasionally. When it is about 2.5 minutes, try to bend the choy-sum to check whether they are ready. If they are ready, they can be bent easily. It is almost ready. See, it is ready now. We'll give it 15 more seconds. They are totally ready now. Let's strain the water. Now let's arrange them for better presentation. Now it's time for the oyster sauce. Not too much. Try some with oyster sauce for you to enjoy. You can use any vegetable to replace the choy sum. The difference is only the boiling time. Gailan needs about 3 to 4 minutes, and normal broccoli and asparagus needs only 2 minutes.